with another video. Today I am here to review this lash product that I got from Pinkzio. This is what it's looking like. It's a eyelash perming kit, a professional lift kit. I would not be using this professional eyelash perming kit because this is professional use only. I ain't trying to burn my eyes, you know. But the lashes this come with are beautiful, and they gave me two options: luxury lash, and then I got these look great. Like they're like pretty natural lashes. Oh, and then I also have Fairy Queen. You know I love the lashes that come with little gaps in them. Those are like my favorite types. So I can't wait to put this on. I'm just gonna do like a little eyelash tutorial of how I put on my lashes. It's kind of like in a book or something. It's just so cute. And for how to apply, it says step 1, measure and trim lashes. Step 2, apply Pinkzio lash glue liner, just like eyeliner. Attach false lash directly to eyeliner. Double glue the inner corners and outer corners if needed. Well, this is not how I usually put on lashes, but I'm gonna put them on based on the instructions. So first step when putting on lashes, I need a mirror. You can't do it without, I mean, if you got it like that, you can do it without a mirror. Honey, I don't know, you want some other stuff, next level stuff, you want 2050. But us in 2021, we use mirrors when you put on lashes. Up here, you cannot put a lash on your eye with your eye looking up. No, please do not do that. You're not gonna get a lash on correctly. You want your eyes to be still. You're gonna keep blinking because you're trying to put a lash on. Do not do that. Tilt your head up like this, and you want your eyes to be slightly closed when you're putting on lashes. That's the problem that a lot of people have when they're putting on lashes. It's not even the application itself. Sometimes it is. Sometimes your eyes too shaky. You're gonna have to like practice that. I realized it was how I was angling it, which was the problem. Which was the problem when I was putting on lashes. So I hold the mirror low here, and I make sure I angle it to where I'm looking like this, almost closed, but not closed all the way, because you still want to have enough space. You don't want your eyes to be too open because when you blink, it's gonna do a lot. You want your eyes to be closed, just in case you blink. You know, you blink a little bit so it doesn't move the lash too much. Okay, that's the main key things I would say when putting on lashes. And if you want to, sometimes I'll use the magnifying one, especially if I want to be precise with it. So a magnifying one, and I don't have to be that close to the mirror or anything. Like, I just put it on. So now for the lash application. So like I said, I'm gonna do it according to the instructions on the box, and I'm gonna be using Fairy Queen. So my lashes didn't come with lash glue, so I'm gonna demonstrate using Ardell lash glue because I really like the lash glue. This is my favorite type of lash glue, the Ardell Lash Grip. It's $3.99 or $2.99 at the Beauty Supply store. This is like my staple. I would always get a clear one and a black one. It doesn't really matter what color you use, because at the end of the day, I mean, it does. If you're wearing black eyeliner, then I'll do black because, you know, that makes sense. But if I'm trying to do like a natural clear look, then I'll do a clear. Or if I have like a color eye and I just don't want any black to show anything, then I'll also do clear. But I'm gonna be using black lash glue this time. These give me more natural. This is, yeah, these give me more natural. But I'm a Vllo girl, as you can tell by some of my videos. So I'm gonna be using Vllo lashes. Here's what it's looking like, and you're gonna get a tweezer. Since you're a beginner, you want to get a tweezer. There's so many types of tweezers. You can use the I like the skinny ones because I feel like it helps me adjust it better. So when you first applying lashes, I feel like a tweezer would probably be easier to use than just your fingers. When I'm putting on lashes, sometimes when people put on lashes and then their inner corner starts hurting. You know how to stop that? this is how you stop that inner corner from hurting. You cut from this angle, so you see how this is cut, this side is cut, and then you cut the little tabs on the sides. Not where the hair starts, but yes, you cut the little tabs. And I like to cut it at an angle, not straight. And so that, for me, removes the irritation from the lash corners. And I have bigger eyes, so I don't really have to measure it to my eye. I mean, of course, measure it to your eye and see like where you want it to fit, but usually these lashes they fit in my eyes, like. But yeah, measure it to your eye, of course, but usually this lash, yeah, it's not too big for anything for my eye, because I have big eyes, or I have a good size eye space. So then I'm gonna do the same thing to another lash. If you are trimming your lashes, make sure you trim a little bit at a time. You don't want to trim too much, and then you know now you have a lash boot. Like, you don't want that. You want a good lash line. So like I said, I'm gonna do it slowly for you guys. Oh, also, when it comes to lash glue, this is foolproof for how to keep your lashes on. You hold it just a little bit. Make sure you get a little bit on the lash, not too crazy, you know. A good little layer of lash glue, and that's how your lashes are going to stay on. This is a much tighter hold to your lash line, like a much more stronger hold. So if you want a weaker lash hold, I would recommend that you, oh yeah, and let it dry for 30 seconds. But if you want a weaker lash hold, I would recommend the little liner lashes, because like those are a little bit weaker. But yeah, this is one of my stronger lash holds. Yep, so you put the little glue on. And then this is how it's looking like. You want a good enough layer, and make sure you put extra on the, I'm not talking about extra, but little dots on the corner. And then I let them dry. Usually you'll know, because they start out light gray, and then they get a little bit darker as they dry. You don't want it too black. When it becomes black, that means they're too dry. But you want it to be like a 30-second dry, like blow on it 30 to 45-second dry, maybe even a minute, depending how, like, if there's air blowing in the room or not. But usually after like 45 seconds to a minute, it should be dry enough to put on your lash. You don't want it to be too wet, because then you're gonna have a mess, but you don't want it to be too dry, because then it's not gonna adhere to your lash line. Since they did not give me a lash glue, I'm just gonna do it the regular way that I put on lashes. I don't see a lash glue, so, because they had their own ways to apply it, but they didn't give me a lash glue. So okay, it's starting to get a different color. Let me show you. It's starting to get darker gray, but not black yet, because once you get black, it's too long. And make sure when you're using your tweezers, make sure you use the clean tweezers, because then it could stick to your lash, and that's not good. Push your head back, make sure your eyes are, like, you know, low and stuff. Make sure you blink before, so your eyes not moving and shaky and stuff. And then just apply it in the middle. Then I do the sides. Another thing about putting on wet lashes, make sure you don't blink too much, because if you blink too much, your eyelids might stick together, and we don't want that. This is how the lashes looking. Look at it. I feel like these lashes look very boom, but it's not too much. Like, it's still natural boom. Like, you're not flying or anything. And they're so beautiful. Wow, they're really beautiful. Now it's getting a little bit darker gray, not black, darker gray. Now I look like a human. And then with the lashes, this is what I hate. I hate when one lash looks flatter than the other. You gotta make sure, you know, if you want, you have to push them in. Make sure, you know, they're at the same little angle. Make sure they're not too far apart from the corner of your eye. And then, yeah. I like my outer corners to be a little bit more fluffy than my inner corners, but that's just a personal preference. So I like to push them up a little bit, but my inner corners I like to push them down. And yeah, this is the lashes. You know, before I start blinking too crazily, you know, make sure they're drying. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ask me any questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if you like these lashes. Are they cute? Are they ugly? Let me stop, just kidding. I think these lashes are just so bomb. I also have a code in the description box below if you want a discount on these lashes. They're just so fire. Like, look how cute they are. I look like a fairy. Just like a fairy queen. They said, the fairy queen Subatla. I'm the fairy queen. Period. If my video helped you put on lashes, like, let me know. Like, that'll be so fire. Like, in the comments below. That'll be lit. Like, what? I'm like, what? I helped you? Oh my god. If you put on lashes for the first time, send me a photo of it. That's all her. But that's my little lash tutorial. Hopefully that was helpful. I don't know if it was helpful or not. Hopefully it was. But I love you guys. Stay tuned for my next video. And I'll see you on the next one.